Look at this fantastic space in Mexico City. I'm surrounded by incredible mural paintings by the early 20th century artist José Clemente Orozco. So what is a mural? A mural is a painting applied to a wall or ceiling, or sometimes even the floor. They can be painted inside or outside a building, or even in natural spaces like caves. Murals have been popular for thousands of years across the world. We often associate murals with a public place, but they appear in private spaces as well. This mural by Orozco is an example of a public mural. Beginning in the 1920s, there was a major push to create large public art forms like murals in different parts of the world. Public art forms like murals could be used to tell different stories about a nation or historical events, among other reasons. Mural paintings are connected to architecture. This makes them distinctly different from other art forms that might decorate a wall, like a framed painting. What do I mean? Well, artists painting on walls have to plan around the shape and size of the wall, taking into account where corners are, where columns might fall, and how people move around a space. Basically, the shape and proportions of a building have to be taken into account. And we can see how Orozco has done this as we move about this space. I bet you can find murals in your neighborhood, town, or city. The next time you see one, think about why it's there and what its purpose is.